it is still continuing as deep depression, and it is likely to weaken in next 2 days. One upper air cyclonic circulation also lies over South Konkan and Goa. Due to these systems, lot of moisture is coming over the Goa region, and we are expecting light to moderate rainfall at many places today, and light to moderate rainfall at isolated places tomorrow. This only 2 days rainfall is expected. After that, weather will be dry over the Goa region, and this system, which is a deep depression, is likely to weaken from tomorrow, and it is moving away from the west coast of the region. So at present there is no specific warning for the fishermen. Only the fishermen warning is given for the beyond 75 kilometer. If some fisherman is going, then they should not venture into the Southeast Arabian Sea, because due to this deep depression there will be strong squally wind of 40 to 50 kilometer per hour, which may reach up to 60 kilometer. So that Southeast Arabian Sea region, the warning is given for fishermen. Otherwise there is no warning for the Goa coast particularly.